साक्षाधरित्वेन समस्तशास्त्रे साक्षाधरित्वेन समस्तशास्त्रे किन्तु प्रभो प्रिय एव तस्य किन्तु प्रभोर प्रिय एव तस्य. In his Siddha Deha, in his spiritual form, the Guru is very dear to Krishna. The Guru is serving Radha and Krishna. So always understand that the Guru is very dear to Krishna. If we offend the Guru, we are offending Krishna. If we hurt the Guru, we are hurting Krishna. If we are giving pain to the Guru, we are giving pain to Krishna. If we are giving happiness to the Guru, then Krishna is happy. Nitya Prabhu, and he is our eternal master. Because he is our master even in this material world. As long as we are alive, and then after we die, if we enter into the Nitya Leela, there also he is our master. He is our eternal master. Ei buddhi sahasada guru bhakti kare, sei shuddha bhakti bole samsare tirthoye. Knowing, understanding this position, ontological position of Sri Gurudev, if one does Guru Bhakti is the same as Krishna Bhakti, because the Guru is pure devotee. Guru is carrying Krishna in one's heart. And the Guru is a Vaishnava. So if one does Guru Bhakti in this mood, remembering these things, then one will attain Guru Bhakti Bale Samsare Tirthari. By the power of the bhakti of our own Guru, we will become free from the cycle of birth and death. If we have faith in our Guru, then by the power of his bhakti, we will become enlightened. We will become free from the cycle of birth and death. To conclude, I will read the commentaries of Bhakti Vinod Thakur to this section. Shri Guru ke Mukund Deepta Shri Guru ke samanya jeev buddhi karibe na Krishner Swarup Shakti Pushta Shakti Krishna Parikar Boliya Guru ke Bhakti karibe Guru ke Krishna Boliya Mone Kara Mayavadir Mot Shuddha Vaishnav Motano. Don't think that the Guru is an ordinary soul. Understand that Krishna's Swarup Shakti, Sri Radhika, has nourished our Guru, and the Guru is a parikara, an associate of Radha and Krishna. And in this way, we should do Guru Bhakti. Guru ke Krishna boliya mone kara. But if you think that the Guru is Krishna himself, then you are committing a big offense. That is a Mayavadi opinion. Shuddha Vaishnavera Mat Noy. That is not the opinion of Shuddha Vaishnavas, pure Vaishnavas. Sadhu Bhakta Ganoi Vishaye Vishesha Tarka Hoibe Mayavad Suchakshare Sadhana Madhya Pravesh Karile Samast Sadhana Dushit Hoibe. Vaishnavas should be very careful about this. If this opinion, Mayavad philosophy that the Guru is God, enters into their minds and hearts, then it will contaminate everything. Like in the beginning days of this Hare Krishna movement, in America, some disciples started calling Prabhupada as God. You are God, you are God. They started telling Prabhupada. So Prabhupada immediately became very angry and he stopped them. He cut that thing immediately at that point. It's very important to destroy this Mayavad mentality in the initial stages. We should never accept the Guru as God, but we have to accept the Guru as an eternal associate of God. श्री गुरु के आसनो पद्यो अर्घ्यो स्नानियो वस्त्रो आभरण दिया पूजा करत तदुमति लैया युगल पूजा कोइबे परे अग्रे गुरु के प्रसाद आनियो इत्यादि दिया अन्य वैष्णव गुरुदेवा के अर्पण करिबे पितृ लोकेरो प्रसाद अर्पण. How to do Guru Puja? Now, fortunately, I have read this commentary before, so I'll have to complete this 2 verses also. This is how to do Guru Puja. How can we do Guru Puja? Adya Guru Puja pare Shri Krishna Puja Gurudev Shri Krishna Prasad Samarpan. The first we should worship the lotus feet of our Gurudev and then do Krishna Puja and then we have to worship Krishna. So Gurudev and initially we have to offer prasad, Krishna's Mahaprasad to our Gurudev. That is Guru Puja, Guru Seva. First we have to offer Guru an asan, then we have to wash his lotus feet, then we have to offer to wash his hands. Then we have to offer water to rinse his mouth. Then you have to give some nice cloth for him to sit. And then you have to offer flowers, phool mala, pushpa, and some nice decorations. And then in the Siddha Deha we can even offer ornaments to our Guru. And then after taking the permission of our Guru, we should do Yugal Puja. We should serve Radha and Krishna. That is the proper way to do Guru Puja and Krishna Puja. First worship the Guru and then in this way which is described here, mentally give him a asana in your heart. If you can't do it physically, wash his feet, give him fan chamar, offer him Mahaprasad, offer him flowers, and then mentally, after serving Gurudev, take his permission by his blessings. You serve the divine couple and Nitai Gaur Sundar in their respective leelas. Pare agre Guru ke prasad. In the end and in the beginning, both one should give prasad to the Guru. Snaniya ityadi diya anya Vaishnav. And then after offering the Mahaprasad of Krishna to Gurudev, then one should offer one can offer that Mahaprasad to all Vaishnavas and to demigods if one wants, and to Pitrus, our forefathers. We can give that prasad to everyone later on. Guru Agya Laye Krishna Puji Beyatone Shri Guru Ras Maria Krishna Boli Devagani. Beautiful. Taking permission from your Guru, you should, with your mind attentively, you should worship Lord Krishna. And some devotees say, no, while chanting Krishna's name, you should remember only Krishna. But here, Haridas Thakur says very clearly, you can remember your Guru and you can chant the name of Krishna from your mouth. You can chant the name of Krishna while remembering your Gurudev or our Shiksha Gurus or Ragatmika devotees in the Nitya Leela. You can remember them and you can chant the name of Krishna, and in that way you can worship. Guru te ki roop shraddha kara uchit. How should one have faith in our Guru? That we will see tomorrow. How we should develop faith in our Guru, how we should look at our Guru. That Guru Tattva, see tomorrow. Thank you. Shri Harinam Chintamani ki jai, Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki jai, Shri Gauranga Mahaprabhu ki jai, श्रील सच्चिदानंद भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर गुरु परंपरा। Any questions you have? Yes. When I look at you, I see Tulsi Maharani. Tulsi. It's in the
So when you try to read the 6 Goswami books, it is very difficult to understand and higher topics are there. Then how can we read?
The power to understand the books of the 6 Goswamis will be given by the 6 Goswamis themselves. They will empower us, they will give the mercy. Krishnadas Kaviraj says, don't worry if you cannot understand Chaitanya Charitamrita in the first time, read again and again. Read them again and again. Give respect. By neglecting the scriptures of the 6 Goswamis, you will not attain anything auspicious. In fact, the 6 Goswamis books are, the essence is Chaitanya Charitamrita. And the essence of all the 6 Goswamis and the Acharyas and Chaitanya Charitamrita is given in Bhakti Vinod Thakur's books. So, and that Prabhupada took from Bhakti Vinod Thakur's books and he wrote his commentaries. In fact, he said in one place, whatever I am writing is from Bhakti Vinod Thakur's books. Prabhupada also said, he said, I want to print Bhakti Vinod Thakur's books all over the world. But unfortunately, that is not happening. I think if Bhakti Vinod Thakur's books are printed, then it will bring great auspiciousness and great fame to that institution who will print Bhakti Vinod Thakur's books. It is said that the golden age of Kali Yuga will be brought. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati said, the golden age of Kali Yuga will come by the Bhakti Vinod Thakur's books will create a golden bridge for humanity to cross this Kali Yuga. And they are already creating that. So don't worry, if you don't understand, read them again and again. All books are like sugar candy, you can taste from anywhere. Don't do bhedbhav, ye book uncha hai, ye book neecha hai. Never think this book is high, this book is low. Acharyas are very merciful. The first book I read was Chaitanya Charitamrita, but still I am a Vaishnava. I have not fallen down. Because I have read PhD first. Devotee said, no, this is PhD, don't read. Yes.
Are you able to explain a little more like what Prabhupada's meaning by postgraduate study?
Postgraduate means where Bhagavad Gita ends at surrender, complete surrender to Krishna. Bhagavatam starts, Dhimahi. And then where Bhagavatam ends with the Gopis' love in the 10th canto, from there Chaitanya Charitamrita starts. That is in Adi Leela, the Gopis' love is explained like we are seeing in the morning. The Gopis' love is explained right in the Adi Leela onwards. So like where Bhagavatam ends, Chaitanya Charitamrita starts. That's why it is the postgraduate.
So that's why people say that we shouldn't really...
Yeah, but Prabhupada said Chaitanya Charitamrita is PhD. At the same time, he says that I have compiled that in my Chaitanya Charitamrita book, which I had written. That Prabhupada says that even though it is a PhD book, everybody should read it, and my books are like sugar candy. Somebody asked, can I read Chaitanya Charitamrita? Prabhupada said yes. In fact, he told Shruta Kirti Das, you should study Chaitanya Charitamrita and learn to give lectures on Chaitanya Charitamrita. It is very important. In fact, the book which Prabhupada was carrying on the Jal Duta was Chaitanya Charitamrita. And the first katha he gave in America in the matchless gift shop was Chaitanya Charitamrita. Loditai Gaur Premanande.